Welcome to this troubleshooting video. If we use the mesh selection tools, we have something which is called brush selection, and actually it will just paint on top of the screen of SOLIDWORKS, and when you release your mouse you'll get everything selected underneath. In some cases you may get sparse results, although it's unusual, and this is because we use the graphics card to determine where this selection should be. And if you get this weird result, what you need to do is to check your graphics card settings. I just close these. You exit SOLIDWORKS first, then you right click, and if you have an NVIDIA, you just start the NVIDIA control panel. I wait until it comes to my screen. And then you need to check your 3D settings. You go to the Manage 3D settings and look for the anti-aliasing. As you can see here, it is set that the NVIDIA graphics card actually overrides all the settings, which is not good for this application. So you must set these settings to the application control. In general, it's a good advice to not allow the graphics card to override these settings, so make sure that everything is set to application control where it's possible, and then you press apply. This actually helps the software to render the things underneath in the correct way, and then you can just start using your brush correctly. This is important if you experience such problems. Then you can just start your software and you can use it in a normal way, and this problem should no longer exist. I hope this is useful. Thank you for watching.